In this slide number 1, we will talk about the notification overview. NMDC Limited, a Navratan public sector enterprise under the Ministry of Steel, Government of India, has released recruitment notification number 03/2025, dated the 22nd of May 2025. This recruitment is for various posts at Kirandul, Bacheli, and Dinimalai iron ore mines. Applications are accepted only through the official website, www.nmdc.co.in. In this slide number 2, we will talk about the total number of vacancies. A total of 995 vacancies have been announced. These include posts such as field attendant, maintenance assistants in electrical and mechanical trades, blaster, electrician, electronics technician, HAME mechanic, HAME operator, MCO, and QCA. These posts are distributed across 3 complexes, and the final number may vary based on actual requirements. In this slide number 3, we will talk about the application fee details. Candidates from General, OBC, and EWS categories must pay an application fee of 150 rupees. SC, ST, PWBD, ex-servicemen, and departmental candidates are exempted from paying the fee. The payment must be done online via UPI, credit card, or net banking through SBI Collect. Note that the fee is non-refundable. In this slide number 4, we will talk about the important dates. The application process opens on the 25th of May 2025 at 10 am and closes on the 14th of June 2025 at 11:59 pm. The same date, the 14th of June 2025, will be the cut-off date for determining eligibility related to age and qualification. Further information about exam dates and admit cards will be updated on the NMDC website. In this slide number 5, we will talk about the age limit. The minimum age for all posts is 18 years, and the maximum age is 30 years as of the 14th of June 2025. Relaxation in upper age limit is provided. 5 years for SC and ST candidates, 3 years for OBC, non-creamy layer, and as per Government of India guidelines for PWBD, ex-servicemen, and departmental employees. In this slide number 6, we will talk about the educational qualifications required. Field attendant requires a middle pass or ITI qualification. Maintenance assistant posts need ITI in electrical or mechanical related trades. Blaster grade 2 requires matric or ITI along with a blaster certificate and 3 years of experience. For electrician, electronics technician, HAME mechanic, HAME operator, and MCO posts, a 3-year diploma in the relevant engineering discipline is mandatory. QCA requires a BSc degree in chemistry or geology, along with 1 year of relevant experience. Importantly, candidates holding higher qualifications than those prescribed are not eligible to apply.